Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your YouTube channel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unlink or disconnect your Google Ads account from your YouTube channel? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Google Ads account from your YouTube channel anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to switch over to a company Google Ads account. So you want to remove your personal Google Ads from your YouTube channel. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your YouTube studio. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my YouTube studio, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to disconnect or remove a Google Ads or AdWords account that you connected to your YouTube channel, here on the left menu, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu pop up right here, and you want to click on channel. Once you click on channel, you're going to see three options here at the top, and you want to click on advanced settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll down a little bit until you see Google Ads. Okay, so here is a section that says Google Ads account linking. As you can see, I have my Google Ads account linked right here. The status is linked. Now, in order to disconnect it or remove it, you're going to click here on unlink. Okay, next you're going to get a warning saying that if you unlink this Google Ads account, it can affect any kind of running campaigns you may have. If you're okay with that, click on unlink. Okay, next you can see the permissions have been removed, but you're not quite done until you click on the save button here on the bottom right. All right, next you're going to see settings saved here at the bottom. Okay, so now my Google Ads account has been removed from my YouTube channel. So if I'm going to be running ads into my YouTube channel, I'll need to reconnect my Google Ads at a future date. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove your Google AdWords account from your YouTube channel, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.